I'm Willie Beecher. I produce videos and motion graphics for a living, and in these short videos I'm going to talk a little on previous projects and my involvement, how I've contributed to the brands, my creative process, and some techniques used to produce the work. I wanted to share some thoughts on colour and how simple colour concepts can enhance your everyday experience of design. Understanding colour theory was a foundation for my design journey. When I was a university student, I was inspired by the ease of how artists combine colour to create powerful, harmonious and engaging imagery. Post-impressionists like Matisse, Cézanne, and graphic designers like Paul Rand and Sol Bass. There are 7 main colour schemes, but today I'll concentrate on just 2 of the most useful: complementary and analogous. Complementary colours are colours opposite on the colour wheel. With this scheme, the colours are either warm or cool. Complementary colours also appear brighter when placed together, creating high contrast. These colour combinations are often found in flowers such as irises or cosmos. Complementary colour combinations often work better if there's a dominant colour with smaller accents of the opposite colour. When used in animation, complementary colours help the viewer focus whilst giving your message more clarity. This method is great for information design where contrast is needed to highlight important data. Another practical colour system is the analogous colour scheme. This method combines 3 to 5 colours adjacent to one another to create harmony and balance. They create less contrast and encourage an image to flow. Analogous colour schemes are useful when a design requires a softer, more unified look. Over time, I've come to appreciate the simplicity of referencing colour schemes from nature. For me, nature is one of the most powerful influences over my work. A multitude of answers abound in natural settings, providing ready-made design solutions. Striking sunsets, calm autumn landscapes, or intensely colourful wildlife. The hard work has been done over millions of years. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions on design, video production, or motion graphics, I'd love to hear from you. Until the next one, take care.